sick. Where you free stalker, bitch? Oh, fuck! Holy shit! What?
Switching mags. Changing mags. Switching mags.
Right. Damn!
Stitched up.
McCringleberry. Oh, this console player, dude. Opening.
We don't have to rush too much anymore.
Yeah, we're rushing. This is the optimal strategy. Getting the I'm getting the second elevator too.
Shit.
Probably not even in the fucking ladder yet.
No, I'm right behind you.
So I'm gonna have to go in on defeat and try to kill a bunch of guys with a fucking pistol. See how it goes. I'll probably end up dead. I'm gonna die.
Vaulting in this game is so annoying.
Nice going.
You just fucking watch as that guy kills me.
I got rage quit after he died.
Deploy.
Oh, killed one. Killed one. They're trying to flank. One behind the catacomb.
I think I hit him. I hit him. I don't know if I killed him. I did not. But he's one shot. He got hit with a Romero point blank. Two.
Yeah, got the other.
Oh, I'm being loud so he doesn't suspect your position.
Okay.
I see him. Got him. Got one.
Hell yeah.
Reptile skin?
No.
Okay.
He's got horns. He's one of the horn skins.
There's 3 of them then. Got one.
Holy shit.
Okay, so one left.
Got the other.
Got the other. Oh my god.
Got the other one. Oh, I have a grenade. Maybe I can get a bunch of them. They end up walking close to each other, which looks like they are. Oh my god!
I'm gonna get off and go to bed.
Alright, homie.
See ya.
See ya.